Welcome back to the AI Millionaire Movement. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting ways to make money with artificial intelligence: creating apps using AI even if you can't code. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of tech knowledge, you can now build, launch, and even monetize your own mobile apps thanks to AI tools that simplify the entire process. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from idea generation to development, to publishing and making money. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content and help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. Traditionally, app development required advanced programming skills, a team of developers, and months of hard work. But those days are gone. AI is now a game changer. With the right tools, you can design beautiful interfaces, generate working code from simple text prompts, integrate smart features like chatbots or recommendation engines, and even automate testing and deployment. This means anyone, yes, even you can launch an app and tap into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Before you dive into development, you need a solid app idea. And guess what? I can help with that too. Start with ChatGPT and prompt it with something like, "List 10 profitable mobile app ideas based on trends in fitness, finance, or education." You'll get a list of potential winners. Then, validate those ideas using tools like Google Trends or Exploding Topics to make sure there's real demand. You can even ask ChatGPT to role-play your ideal user and critique the idea from their point of view. For example, as a busy parent, would you find value in an app that plans healthy meals based on what's already in your fridge? This helps you refine the concept before you commit to building. Now comes the exciting part: building the app. There are several no-code and AI-powered platforms that do most of the work for you. Tools allow you to describe your app in plain English, and they'll automatically generate the app's structure. Platforms like Adalo, Glide, or AppyPie AI let you drag and drop elements and logic into place. For instance, if you wanted to create a budgeting app for freelancers, you could simply enter something like, "I want an app where freelancers can log income, track expenses, and get monthly reports," and the AI will handle the rest from layout to logic. If you want to add smart AI-powered features to your app, that's possible too. Using the OpenAI API, you can integrate chatbots, content generators, or language translation. Or, use tools like replicate.com to add capabilities like image generation, voice-to-text, or real-time analytics. For your backend, things like user logins, databases, and app logic, use platforms like Xana or Firebase, which automate all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Once your app is functional, you'll want to polish it and prepare for launch. Tools like Uwizard or Figma AI help you design a sleek, modern interface. You can even ask ChatGPT to analyze your UI and suggest improvements to the user experience. For testing, AI tools like Testim.io or Rainforest QA simulate real users and help catch bugs before your app goes live. If you want to write your own test cases, ChatGPT can generate those too. Publishing is easier than ever. Tools like App My Site simplify the process of submitting your app to Google Play and the Apple App Store. Need a catchy App Store description or keyword list for ASO, App Store optimization? Just ask ChatGPT to write it for you. It can even help you respond to user reviews once your app is live. Now let's talk about the most important part: monetization. There are 3 main ways to earn money from your app. First, the freemium model. Offer basic features for free and lock premium features behind a paywall. ChatGPT can help brainstorm what features people would pay extra for. Second, you can run ads using platforms like AdMob or Facebook Audience Network. These integrate seamlessly into most no-code apps. Third, if your app includes unique AI-powered services like voiceovers, photo filters, or writing tools, you can charge users per use or through monthly subscriptions. If you want to scale your app, let AI continue to help. Use ChatGPT to build your marketing strategy, create engaging ad copy, write email sequences, and even draft scripts for influencer collaborations. Your app business can go from zero to thousands of users with the right automation in place. In conclusion, building an app is no longer a distant dream, it's a present-day reality, thanks to AI. You don't need to learn how to code or hire a developer. All you need is an idea, a few smart tools, and a willingness to take action. With platforms like Builder.ai, Adalo, and the OpenAI API, you can build and launch your own app faster and cheaper than ever before. So what are you waiting for? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the AI Millionaire Movement, and comment below with the type of app you'd love to build. Until next time, stay inspired and keep building.